Listen to this carefully. Money doesn't care about your background, your skin color, or your beliefs. It doesn't play favorites, it's an equal opportunity game. The only thing that can hold you back is you. When you step onto the field without knowing the rules or refuse to play by them, money is blind and deaf. It doesn't care about who you are, your plans, or your intentions. It's all about the rules, my friends. The rules. As I embarked on my journey to uncover the secrets of wealth, I learned from the giants who built empires. They had different styles, different paths, but they all followed the same set of rules. So is the deal. Making money is a skill, and you don't have to change who you are, you just need to unlock your mind and think way outside the box. Trust me, it's that simple. I've walked with both the affluent and the struggling. The real difference is in how they think. The wealthy think like, well, the wealthy, while the others, they think like the poor. It's all in your mindset. We give money meaning, whether it's freedom, power, or trouble. It's all in how you see it. It's your choice. Money is a mirror, it reflects your perspective. For centuries, money has been associated with power, well-being, and the ability to provide better living conditions for loved ones. Depending on the metaphor you associate with money, it will either bring you closer to it or push you away from it. To attain wealth with a poor mindset is akin to attempting to drive a car with your foot on both the brake and the accelerator. It's time for action. In the world of work, you're not compensated for who you are, but for what you do. The world applauds and rewards actions. It's remarkable how people invest their days in analysis, planning, and organization when the smarter path is action. Having spent years as a finance and stock market expert, I affirm that winners stand apart because they take action, even if their initial results aren't flawless. Winners learn from their missteps, creating a ripple effect like billiard balls in motion. Actions generate momentum, eventually yielding results. Did you ever notice that the last letters of satisfaction spell action in Latin? Satis translates to sufficient. The Romans recognized that a sufficient number of actions lead to satisfaction. Satisfaction, you can possess all the world's knowledge, be in the right place at the right time, and maintain a balanced mindset, but without action, it's all in vain. Many falter when striving for riches. Some claim they desire wealth, then liken it to buying a lottery ticket, hoping luck will shine on them. However, they are unprepared for sacrifices, studying, focus, and change. Most desire effortless wealth, daydreaming about chance or luck. Money is a game much like a sport. You must understand the rules, have the right coaches, and commit to daily improvement. Understand this, my friend, money is not the ultimate answer. If you've ever found yourself thinking, if only I had a pile of money, my problems would vanish, I'm here to tell you that's not the whole story. Money is like the lubricant in an engine, it keeps the gears moving smoothly, but it's not the engine itself. You can't replace the importance of relationships, health, or family with it. There's a crucial truth you must embrace. You and only you are responsible for the quality of your life. To achieve true success, you must take 100% responsibility for every aspect of your journey, including the results you create, whether it's the quality of your relationships, your physical and mental well-being, your financial status, your debts, or your emotions. In short, every facet of your life, it all falls under your purview. It's no cakewalk. Many of us tend to point fingers at external factors for our life's shortcomings. But here's the empowering fact: you possess the inherent power to change your life and influence others. External factors exist, yes, but they don't have the final say. Countless individuals have triumphed over adverse circumstances by owning up to their results. If external circumstances were insurmountable, no one would have risen from humble beginnings to achieve their dreams. The truth is, it's not external conditions that impose limits, it's your own beliefs and actions. Remember, money doesn't alter your essence, it magnifies it. If you're a good-hearted person, wealth makes you even more capable of helping others. Conversely, if you're driven by greed and selfishness, money will only amplify those negative traits. I want you to consider this: you draw closer to your higher purpose when you share your resources with those you've never met. When you give without expecting anything in return, you begin to establish a unique connection with money. And incredibly, the more you give, the more you'll receive. Take it from me, steer clear of those with a limited, scarcity mindset and surround yourself with those who have a wealth mindset. More than 78% of the world's population is trapped in a poverty mindset. Now that you're aware of this, you'll start noticing these limiting beliefs in those around you. Align yourself with those who think abundantly, and you'll find your wealth growing as a result. In life, you'll face situations where you must take decisive action. Sometimes the only thing propelling you forward is your life energy. Your first priority is to identify who's draining your vitality and quietly distance yourself from them. God is on your side, and He'll support you as you take your rightful actions. It's not about being thankful or ungrateful, it's about taking responsibility. While God is magnificent, don't burden Him with your failures. He wants the best for you, but it's your actions that deserve His favor. Religions and individuals have often twisted the message to suit their needs or reduce their responsibilities. Money flows to you because you seek it, not merely because you pray for it. Prayer alone won't forge a connection with money. If you desire God's presence, love Him, and He will stand by your side. Likewise, with money, respect it, desire it, and it will find its way to you. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.